Hi everybody! Today I'm making you some egg muffins. And first I started off using some of these shredded potatoes, and these are in the chilled section of the store. They're not frozen. But I took a little bit, I seasoned them with some, I think pepper, garlic, and onion. I still don't have pepper, so if you saw my broccoli and cheese soup video, I still don't have pepper. So I still need to buy it. But what I did is I seasoned up some of these, and I put a little thin layer in the bottom of the muffin pan, and I mushed them down as though I was making like the no-bake cheesecake, how you do the graham cracker and the butter and then you press down the crust. That's what I did with this. So I'm going to set this aside because I need more room. And then I'm going to put a sausage ball on each one, and this one actually is in the frozen section. I've never used this before, so I hope they're good. It says it has cheese and biscuit mix in it, so that'll be the next layer. So I'm gonna drop one on. I've already cooked these up as well, so they're not frozen anymore. And so I'm gonna put them in each little pocket. And the shredded potatoes, I had those at 450 for about 30 minutes. They didn't get as brown as I wanted them to. So if you want to try this and you want to make them a little more brown, I would go a little bit longer. And then these will be for snacking. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and I've got 10 eggs in here. I didn't think I would need 12, but I'll see. So I'm gonna just season up the 10 that I have, and if I need to make up some more, I'll do that. But I'm gonna add some pink salt. And I've got the onion and the garlic that I normally use. And I would put pepper in here if I had it, but I don't. I need to put it on my list. So salt, pepper, and garlic. You can use any seasonings that you want, but those are my go-tos. I have some leftover green onion. You're supposed to go in the eggs. Not yet. Well, I'm gonna leave those there. That'll be fine. So I'm going to stir this up a little bit. I think I'm going to pour this in over top, and then I'll go back over and put the cheese on there. I think that'll be the easiest. So just like this. Not just like that. You need a little bit less than that, of course. Yeah, much better. Okay, maybe. I was thinking some of that was gonna end up in there, but it's just gonna be a mess. That's fine. All right. Well, let me mix up. I will go ahead and do the 12 eggs because it's, all in this one. So I did need more. I'm gonna go ahead and mix up my mixture with the eggs, and then I'll be back for it and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, I'm back. I whipped up 2 more eggs, and I scooped a little bit out of the one that I really messed up and put it with the other 2, seasoned it, and so for a total there are 12 eggs that you need. And I'm going to go ahead and see if I can put cheese on the eggs without ruining it. We will see. So all I'm going to do is just put a little bit on top, and I have the oven preheated for this at 350, and I think it's going to take about 20 minutes. Top every one. Yay, I did it! Didn't make a huge mess. All right, so now that they're all topped with the shredded cheese, and let me get these in the oven. egg muffins are ready. I left them in for about 25 minutes. I had them in the middle rack for about 20, and then for the last 5, I moved them up to the top rack to get a little more color on them. And while I was waiting for them to cook, me and my son had the leftovers of these that I had cooked up. And they're actually really good. Because like I said, I hadn't had them before, but they, we snacked on the ones that I had cooked up, and they have a spice to them, so they might actually make up for the lack of pepper that I had in these. So I've got mine cooling, and I guess you can see a little bit of the potato. Not really. I might do a thicker layer next time, but I'm going to cut this to see if we can see the little sausage ball inside. Ooh. Yeah, right there. All right, that looks good. I'm gonna get that bite right there. That's pretty good. The potato did get kind of lost in there. I might do a thicker layer. I was hoping for some crunch, or maybe I can put it on top next time. But it's still pretty good.